All right, mi gente, this is a house that me and my partner picked up. We're gonna actually put on the market for sale for about 10 days to see if anyone wants to buy it. Show you the inside. We're in Dale City. Address is 15016 Ashdale Court. So we plan on resanding and staining the floors here all throughout the house. All right, dude. All right. This is the half bath on the main level. And redo that. This is the dining room. We're gonna knock that wall out right there to open it up into the dining room. Redo the floors, paint, of course, the entire house. Here's the kitchen. So all this cabinetry here will be gone. Open up to the dining room here, and we're gonna have an island here, center island with a sink in it. And you can put chairs on this side. We're gonna take this fridge, essentially put it in that back wall, because that's dead space back there. And we're gonna take away this bulkhead here to then put cabinets from the ceiling all the way down. Of course, all the flooring. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs. This is the master. Once again, resand the floors, and stain them. We have a half bath in here. We toyed with the idea of trying to expand this into a true ensuite with a shower, but it would just take up too much space. So we're just gonna redo it, keep the layout as is. When we replace all the doors, we have another full bath up here. That will be completely redone. Bedroom here has a ceiling fan, so we replace that with a new one. Resand the floors here as well. And this is the smallest room, doesn't have a ceiling fan, but we're gonna install one there as well. And then the basement. We're gonna replace the roof also, so they have a new roof. So of all spaces in this house, the basement requires the least amount of work. We're gonna keep the flooring that's in here. They have ceramic tile down here already, so we want to keep it as is. It's good condition, none of them are chipped. This is the utility room. I'm just gonna put some new stick and peel down here to make it a little cleaner. We're gonna switch out the electrical panel box over there, because this is no longer fits the code. We're gonna put a new HVAC system in here. There's a full bath down here, so that's gonna be all completely redone. And this is the main rec room area. So it's in good shape down here. Not too much will be happening here. This is the backyard, so it does backs to woods. I'm not sure what we're gonna do about this fence. We may just simply paint it. And this nice little patio. Not a whole lot of yard work will be needed. So that's that. So if you are interested in possibly purchasing this property, we're going to have it on the market for $220,000. And we'll have it available for sale for about 7 to 10 days. We'll kind of play around with it and see how we feel about it. Then if it's not sold in that time period, we will simply just do all the work ourselves, and then put it back on the market at, of course, a higher price. So any question, give me a call, 703-586-3636. I say again, at 703-586-3636. Thank you very much, and make it a great day.